that's why.
What?
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god! It's locked!
No, it's not. Seatbelts. You get Kelly, I'll go for Ramsey.
I got you.
I don't really want to CPR him, to be honest. I'd rather CPR Kelly, but anyway.
Oh. Well, she got me. There I get her, right?
Yeah, they definitely didn't have seatbelts on. That was funny as hell. Somersaulting out the car.
Watch out. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh god.
Yeah, he's not stopping.
No. This is YOLO. I'm 10-8 Morrisontown Highway. I'm gonna come back up this way, towards Ripperoni Hill. 10-4. I had some wonderful sibs help me out.
That are now dead.
So what's your name right now, Mr. Google?
Father.
Father? Okay.
Yeah, just call me Maguire, mate. It just makes it all easier.
Okay, McGuire. Why can't I take 5.56 ammo off Kelly?
I can't you what?
Take 5.56 ammo off her.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's she got that for?
I think she has an M4.
No, she can't have.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Really?
I don't know. I'm not gonna search. Whatever.
I'll be very surprised if she has, to be honest, unless it's something from the other side of her, job, I suppose.
Jesus Christ, what happened here?
Seatbelts.
Fucking blood. Is that bad?
Yes, mate. Yeah, they forgot to put fucking seatbelts on.
No, good.
Yeah, the car just took a nosedive and threw him straight out. It was ever so funny. They ragdolled all over the place.
I'm so confused. What, is it just a cop on his own here, or?
Yeah, he's with us. Basically, there's a gunfight further down the street, mate.
Ah, right, okay.
He's alright. We're
Is this that
taking him to
girl?
hospital. Yeah, it's Kelly.
Yeah. She,
Ah!
Holy
Ah! My arm! Ah!
Holy fuck, guys!
You fucking psychos! You fucking psychos!
Jesus! I was alright. I mean, I'm not anymore.
Yeah, I've had to turn Maguire butt off, guys, because it got fucking